What's going on, everyone? This is Devin here, and welcome to the ValveAmp Hobby Shop. So, I don't exactly have a shop, but this is a hobby. It's possible you might recognize this amp from my other channel, The Unknown Stone, and the purpose of this video this new channel is to separate the hobbies. Unknown Stone, my other channel, pretty much focuses on straight razors, razor honing, but I also have another hobby and passion, and that is building some little guitar amps for myself, although this one isn't very small. But again, you may recognize this amp. This is a cathode biased 6L6 amplifier with two preamp stages. Well, really it's got, this is the preamp and then this is the phase inverter here. I won't get into the ins and outs of this circuit right here on this video because it really is just an introduction. But this amplifier is pretty much done. It's exactly the way I want it, 100%. So that's my most recent project. But we'll take another look at a slightly older amplifier that I built some time ago. All right, so this build right here is an older build. Some of you may recognize this as the 5F1 Champ circuit, right? There's a couple of deviations in some of the component values. The layout isn't exactly like the 5F1 Champ, primarily because some of the components, like right here, these carbon film resistors and this little bypass cap, they just weren't long enough to make that connection there. So that's, the first problem. There's some other things that need to be tidied up. Generally speaking, it looks like a bit of a mess here. There's just no getting around it, So there's a few little things that need to be straightened out on it. Obviously, we're not going to get into that in this video, but this was probably built initially, well over 10 years ago. Originally, it was a point-to-point kind of construction. No eyelet board, no turret board. It was just a few little tag terminal strips, with very little in the chassis other than just the few resistors and capacitors. Power supply filtering early on was on the reverse side of the chassis. It was kind of unsafe, so I kind of made the decision to go back with the traditional eyelet board. I kind of missed the openness of the point-to-point situation because it wasn't like a spaghetti mess. It was pretty well laid out, believe it or not. But I digress. I just wanted to show you guys this build because this goes back quite a bit further in time. So we'll go ahead and wrap up this discussion with some closing thoughts. So yes, welcome to the ValveAmp Hobby Shop. I hope that this can be somewhat of an enjoyable resource, and if nothing else, just a source of entertainment for some of you guys. As an aside, I have about 11 or 12 videos in a playlist on my other channel, Unknown Stone. I have moved that playlist into a library here on this channel. So if you go to my channel and go to playlist, you can actually see the first, dozen videos or so of this amp right here coming to life. From the teardown of the prior arrangement to what it's become. That way you don't have to jump channels to see those things. So again, on this channel, ValveAmp Hobby Shop, check out my playlist and you can see the whole library for this build/rebuild. So that's basically it. I look forward to more videos coming soon. Which will also involve a new upcoming EL84 build that I am going to try to do in an extreme budget. It's also going to be an original circuit, much like this one, and we'll see where that goes. But thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.